Imagine coming home to find your world turned upside down. That's exactly what happened in Lajpat Nagar, South Delhi, when a quiet family home became the scene of a horrifying double murder. Hello and welcome to True Crime Stories India. This is the case of the Lajpat double murder. It was Wednesday night, 2nd July 2025. Kuldeep Sevani, a 44-year-old businessman, was worried. His wife, Ruchika, and their 14-year-old son, Krish, weren't answering his calls. He rushed to their home in Lajpat Nagar 1. As he got closer, he saw it, bloodstains on the stairs and near the gate. A chilling sign that something was terribly wrong. He immediately called the police for help. This was no ordinary evening in Delhi. Police quickly arrived. The front door was locked from the inside. With no answer, they had to break it open. What they found inside was truly heartbreaking. In the bedroom, they found 42-year-old Ruchika Sevani. Her throat had been brutally cut. In the bathroom, her son, Krish, a bright 10th grade student, was also found dead, with similar injuries. Both victims had been attacked with a sharp weapon. It was a gruesome murder case in the heart of the capital. Ruchika and Krish were just like many families in Delhi. Ruchika ran a garment shop in the busy Lajpat Nagar market with her husband. She was a hard-working woman, managing their business and their home. Krish was a teenager, only 14 years old, focusing on his studies in class 10. He had dreams, friends, and a future that was suddenly taken away. This Delhi crime news hit hard. The Sevani family lived a comfortable life. They had domestic help, including a driver and helper for their shop. It's often difficult to imagine such violence in a familiar setting, especially involving someone who was part of the household. With the discovery of the bodies, the Delhi police immediately launched their investigation. They started by looking into everyone the family knew, trying to find out if Ruchika or Kuldeep had any enemies or if anyone held a grudge against them. But surprisingly, everyone questioned only had good things to say about the Sevani family. They were well-liked, hard-working, and respected in their community. It seemed there were no obvious enemies. Then, a crucial piece of information emerged from a neighbor. Just a few days before the murders, they had heard Ruchika shouting. Her voice was stern, saying something like, "I will fire you if you don't work properly." This was a significant detail in the unfolding murder mystery. Police immediately turned back to Kuldeep, the husband, asking if he knew who she might have been talking to. He confirmed it. She was speaking to their house help, Mukesh. When police tried to reach Mukesh, he was nowhere to be found. His phone was off. He had simply vanished. Mukesh, a 24-year-old who worked as a domestic helper and driver for the family, quickly became the prime suspect. He was from Bihar and seemed to have been a trusted employee, making his disappearance even more suspicious. In a shocking turn, Mukesh reportedly confessed to the murders once caught. He told the police it was an act of revenge. He claimed that recent scolding by Ruchika Sevani, likely the very incident the neighbor overheard, had triggered his violent outburst. It's believed he first killed Ruchika, then her son, Krish. A chilling twist in this Delhi murder investigation. After the terrible act, Mukesh reportedly locked the house and ran away, taking his belongings and trying to escape to Bihar. The Delhi police immediately swung into action. They put together several teams, shared Mukesh's picture everywhere, and used technology to track him. This was a critical moment in the Lajpat Nagar double murder case. Their hard work paid off. Mukesh was caught by the Uttar Pradesh police on a train at PT Deen Dayal Upadhyay Junction while he was trying to flee the state. He is now in police custody, being brought back to Delhi for more questioning. The investigation is still ongoing. Forensic teams have carefully collected evidence from the crime scene, and CCTV footage from the area is being checked for more clues. Police are also looking into whether anything was stolen, though the main reason seems to be this act of revenge. The Lajpat Nagar double murder reminds us that even in busy cities like Delhi, crime can strike unexpectedly. It's a tragedy that leaves us all thinking about safety, trust, and the shocking moments that sometimes unravel right in our own neighborhoods. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more true crime stories.